Hi, Kalyan.
Hi, Shabbar.
Good evening.
Good evening.
So, wanted to know more about the workshop. So, can you
Yeah.
please tell us something? What exactly we are going to do in 2 days?
Yeah. So it's actually as it says, let us inquire. So it's a inquiring together workshop. It's not a formal facilitation which is going to be there in the workshop, but yeah, we'll have some dynamic proposals and we'll inquire those proposals together. So it's basically about conditioning and deconditioning of life so that we lead a natural life effortlessly. It's basically that. So yeah.
Can you share, I mean, an example of it? I can understand, but it's kind of abstract for me.
Yeah, I
So,
understand.
what are we going
So
to do?
I'll just see the effortlessness. To understand effortlessness, if we understand the source of our experience, then we can understand the effortlessness. So
Mhm.
experience is not end of it. The impact of experience on our energy actually makes it all different. So if
Mhm.
the experience is coming from the senses directly, with the physical experience, from the external world, or actually no imagination, then every physical experience has got an end, clear cut end. But any imaginary experience will be endless, and that's a constant load on the energy. So for an example, suppose somebody slapped me, so it's a physical hit. The pain, physical pain, is going to end within a time period. It's an obvious thing that we all know, can relate to it. But the moment I interpret mentally that particular slap as an insult, lifelong I'll be suffering from that pain. You know,
Mhm. Yeah,
so
I
kind
can
of
see that.
kind of things we'll be exploring. Yeah.
So it's like all of us are exploring, self-exploring. So it's kind of a group
Yes.
self-exploration exercise where we learn from each other's
Yes.
experiences or exploration.
Yes. Also, will include the understanding of pure nature cure, so that the physical health also can be correlated with this effortlessness. Very dialectically, like nothing absurd, like abstract kind of things, but it will be very logical, physics oriented understanding of health.
Makes sense. Okay, this gives a lot of clarity. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, Shabar, if you can brief about the facilities also, that because it is a residential workshop and happening on a farm. So if you can just brief us a bit.
Yeah, so it's a simple, like we created a place where anything related to holistic learning can happen. So kind of small ecosystem kind of is created with all the lodging and the food facilities being available. Um, and there are certain thing do's and don'ts and what to bring and all we can share. I can share with the on the WhatsApp group for to all the participants. So
Yeah, great.
that's pretty
Thank
much
you.
it.
So looking forward, and with a lot of excitement to YAR. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like quite a long time we are trying to have this particular discussion. So same here.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay.
you.